Hi everyone, this is Monisha. Welcome to my channel Rainbow Clouds. In this video, we are going to see how to prepare raw mango pickle. Here is a glimpse of freshly hand-picked mangoes from my garden. Wash the mangoes thoroughly. Peel the outer skin using a peeler. Grate the mango and transfer it into a bowl. Now add the spices. Here I am adding chilli powder, salt, turmeric powder, freshly ground fenugreek, mustard and Asafoetida powder. Mix all the ingredients together and marinate for 5 minutes. Check the description box for exact measurements. Heat a kadai and add gingerly oil to it. Once the oil is heated, add mustard seeds and let it splutter. Now add the marinated mango in the oil. Saute it for 10 minutes in low flame. After 10 minutes, the ingredients will combine well. Switch off the flame and allow it to cool completely. Yummy mango pickle is ready. Store it in an airtight container and enjoy with rice or chapathi. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.